Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off touch sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Suppose if you are pressing back button or home button or recent tap button, or if you are touching any icon in the screen of a phone, there will be some sound, okay, that is called touch interactive sound. If you would like to turn off this touch sound, even you don't want touch sound on your phone, what you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone, okay, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system sound, and under system sound you will find touch interactions. Just turn off this so that touch sound will not be available, will not be hearable, okay. There will be no touch sound, okay. Touch sound will be muted, okay. So in this way you can easily turn off touch sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.